Founded in 2003, Guangzhou Kinga Auto Parts is located in Chenghua High-Tech Industrial Park, which is 45 minutes drive from Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport. Kinga is a professional manufacturer specialized in research and development, production and global trading of auto radiators, condensers, intercoolers, heater cores, and other auto parts of heat exchange system. Kinga has achieved the certificate of IATF 16949 and has qualified and experienced technical teams of 35 senior engineers capable of providing product design and advanced technical support. Kinga factory is comprised of 5 workshops including plastic injection, metal processing, mold processing, assembling lines, and quality control. Advanced detection equipment and complete series of laboratory tests are applied to the production inspection, guaranteeing a reliable quality of our products. Kinga has already brought in 4 lines of automated production equipment into radiators and condenser production to enhance our production capacity. Kinga has been continuously developing new models and expanding its product lines to meet the global market demands. At present, Kinga produces more than 6,000 models of high-quality products from more than 30 different international auto brands. As a leading aftermarket manufacturer of heat exchange system in China, Kinga has been exporting their products to over 80 countries. Kinga had established a base of production study research with South China University of Technology to provide technical innovation continuously. It has obtained Provincial Enterprise Technology Center. We truly welcome friends from all over the world to visit and join.